Great Northern Docks in Naples, Maine is not just a dock store. We manufacture the strongest aluminum docks in the market. We've been a family business for over 40 years. Here we design our own marine-grade aluminum extrusions. Behind our showroom, we have a team of the most talented welders and craftsmen in the region. We build our docks strong and good-looking. We want you to enjoy it for years to come. Not only do we provide waterfront solutions, we're a place where memories are made and childhood dreams come true. Whether it be a hard rocky shoreline, a soft sandy beach, or over the river and through the woods, Great Northern Docks DuraLITE frames can go just about anywhere. We're all about strength and stability. Here in Maine, we have a lot of rocky shorelines. Having a stable dock is key when it comes to tying your boat up. Great Northern Docks plans ahead. We've made tracks on our extrusions so you can snap on accessories. Not only docks, our products are used to cross sand dunes or protected bogs. We even offer powder coating for acidic environments. One of the best things about us, Great Northern Docks is right here in Naples, Maine when you need us. So stop by our showroom today. Our trained sales team is ready to help you design and make the best out of your waterfront.